I went to the farmer's market today and got some beautiful purple basil and some mint, a punnet of blueberries, and then I popped a blossom in the fridge because why not? A girl can't have too many flowers. And then I also collected some beautiful vegetables and put them on a linen lined shelf in the fridge just to bring home that cottage core feeling. There's a little bit of my blossom art and some medjool dates for a dessert later on. I've also got a forest of kale with a little cottage peeking there and a little chia dessert waiting for me later on, and a jar filled with some blossom water. Gorgeous capsicums.